Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to solve the Math Olympiad question. So today we have bracket 20 factorial minus 19 factorial bracket divided by 18 factorial. So we can use the formula of the difference of two factorials. Bracket A factorial minus B factorial bracket equals B factorial bracket A multiply bracket A minus 1 bracket A minus 2 bracket, then dot bracket divide. Okay, we're going to multiply bracket B plus 1 bracket. Okay, I'm sure you are able to see. I'm sure you're able to see. Okay, using this formula, we can write 20 bracket 20 factorial minus 19 factorial bracket is equal to 19 factorial bracket 20 minus 1 bracket, again bracket 20 factorial minus 19 factorial bracket is equal to 19 factorial by 19. Have you seen what we have done? So now we have bracket 20 factorial minus 19 factorial minus 19 factorial bracket divide by 18 factorial is equal to bracket 19 factorial multiply by 19 bracket divided by 18 factorial. So dividing 19 factorial from both sides, from both numerator and denominator, we get 20 bracket 20 factorial minus 19 factorial bracket divided by 18 factorial is equal to bracket 19 times 19 factorial bracket divided by 18. So to simplify the expression further, we get bracket 20 factorial minus 19 factorial bracket divided by 18 factorial is equal to 361. 361. Therefore, the solution for bracket 20 factorial minus 19 factorial bracket divided by 18 factorial is 361. So this is the answer. To explain more, in solving this Math Olympiad question, we used the formula for the difference of two factorials, which allows us to simplify the expression by factoring out the common factor of 19, factorial we then reduce the expression to a fraction in lowest terms by dividing out the common factors of 19 factorial from numerator and the denominator. Finally, we simplified the expression further by multiplying 19. By multiplying 19 and 19 factorial and dividing by 18. Resulting is the solution of 361. So hopefully guys, you have learned 1 or 2, 3 things. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like the video, share, and remember to subscribe if you are not, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss each time I post the new video. Thank you so much.